Hello and welcome. My name is Jeremiah, the Bullfrog Hale, and this is Tips and Tricks Tuesday with ProPricer. We'll cover useful tips and tricks from ProPricer that help you leverage your time better and get things priced. On this episode of Triple T, we'll cover tips and tricks about the importance and usage of title tables. In the usage of rate tables, setting up current tables can help a user automatically select the most current rates. This is extremely important because it helps combat the wrong rates being used when building a proposal. First things first, starting with the basics. What are rate tables? They are the tools that allow you to save and store your rate factors used in your proposal. Rate tables are normally managed by the ProPricer system administrator, and for good reason. You do need to have special permissions to change them. Remember the quote, "With great power comes great responsibility." It definitely applies here. If you can update rate tables, you'll soon find there are too many of them to keep track of. And the problem of remembering what table should be used in different proposals can be a real issue over time, as you continually build and expand your ProPricer system. Therefore, current tables to the rescue! Marking a table as current makes it the new default table. This will automatically be applied to all new proposals, like this. I'll go to Rates and Tables, I'll open the Direct Rates folder, right-clicking on my table, I will select the bottom one, Current. There, that's it. It gets a little star sheriff badge, and it becomes your new default direct rate table. Why is this important? This way you don't have to remember what table should be used. And in working on a team, no one would have to tell you what table should be used in the proposal. The tables that can be marked current are found here in the Rates tab, and they are Direct, Travel, Schedule, Surfactors, Exchange Rates, and for added measure, Algorithms. Even though algorithms are not technically part of the rates family. Once a table is marked current, the icon here for it will light up and take you directly to your current direct rate table. Okay, here's my final tip for current tables in ProPricer. When a table is marked as current, it becomes the default table in the system. At this point, when running a report, if the proposal is not using the current table, a message will pop up letting the user know that the proposal is, hey, not using that current table. ProPricer is designed to keep the most current rates the ones that are used to price the proposal. Because here at EBS, we know how much of a headache it can be if you use the wrong rates on a proposal. To summarize this episode, rate tables are an easy way to store your rate data, but there can be too many of them to keep track of. This is where the current rate table feature comes to the rescue. It allows your system to know which rate table should be utilized when building your highly valuable proposal. If this was awesome, get subscribed and hit that like button. If you have any questions about ProPricer we can help with, or maybe some tips and tricks of your own, follow the link or post a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And again, my name is Jeremiah Hale. And as always, thanks for watching.